Yes. So let's talk about this story. The king was very happy with carpenters Chegu and Anar. They had made a very big and beautiful bed for him. So as gifts, the king wanted to give some land to Chegu and some gold to Anar. Chegu was happy. He took 100 meters of wire and tried to make different rectangles. He made a 10 meter into 40 meter rectangle. Its area was 400 square meters. So he next made a 30 meter and 20 meter rectangle. What was the area? What is its area? Find out. Simple mental math, huh? No need of using pencil. Yes, very good. I have started receiving answers in the chat box. Alter H. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Alter H. No, it's not working. Let's see the chat box. It's taking time. Yeah. Come on. Answer, please. Answer, please. Yes. Hold on a second. Okay, Mauriel. Well, yes, Mauriel. Tell me the answer.
Sir, I subscribe your YouTube channel.
Thank you, beta. Thank you very much. Now, yes, Mahir. Correct answer. 600 square meters. Very good. Yes, correct answer. 30 into 20 is 600. So 600 meter square. We can write it like this. Yes. Very good. Very good. Pushti, correct answer. Very good. Now, going for the next one. What is its area? Is it more than the first one? Yes, right? So, let's see. What other rectangles can he make with 100 meters of wire? Discuss which of these rectangles will have the biggest area. So that is something which we are going to do. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, new share. And in this one, we have got my Jamboard. Jamboard is here. Okay. So, right, we have got 100 meter as the perimeter. Right, what we have got is 100 meter of perimeter, right? Yeah, okay, sorry for that. Yeah, okay, we have got perimeter of 100 meters. Yes, and we have to make different rectangles, right, using this one. So one is obviously what he said, 40 and 60, right, like this. Okay, another which one he has made is, right, sorry, let hold on a second. Yeah, this is getting stuck. 30 meter and 20 meter, right? Sorry, incorrect one. This one is incorrect. Right, one possibility is 30 and 20. Okay, right, so that it becomes total becomes 50, and because since it's a rectangle, right, we have to make it into 2 times L plus B, right? So 2 times 50 we have to make. And which are the different ways to make 50? One is as mentioned in the textbook, 30 meter and 20 meter. Another is 25 and 25, 25 and 25, which will be a square, So in that case, what will be its area? What will be its area? Come on. Yes. Do the calculation. Yes, Siddhi Khale. Yes, Siddhi.
Sir, it will be 500 meter.
For no, 25 into 25 beta. You have to do the
25
calculation. Yes, 25. Yes, 25 into
is
20.
equal to.
You have to do the calculation mentally. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Do it. 25 into 25.
5 into
Yes,
25.
Dhwani.
25.
Sir, I can't see Jamboard.
Yeah, I have stopped sharing that Jamboard. Don't worry. 25 into 25. Another is 25 into 25. Yeah, now it's done. So what will be the answer here? 25 into 25. You have to do it. Simple. 25 into 20. 25 2 is 500, right? 25 2 is 50, and 0 comes down. and then another 5, which is 25 into 5, distributive property of multiplication, right? This is breaking up method. Okay, so 25 5s is 125. Those of you who know the table, it will be very easy, or you can do the multiplication now. Add these two, 500 and 125. Answer will be 625 meter square. See, very good. Yes, very good. Right? So this different types of rectangles can be made. Right? What else can be made? What about 40 and 10? Then the answer will be 40 into 10. So 40 tens are. Yes, Shanvi, this is in textbook. So if you want to write, yes, you can write. Yes, very good, Priyal. So this will be less. So idea is that Chegu gets more land. Yes, the idea is that Chegu should get more land, right? Correct? So at what time he will get the highest number of, or the largest piece of land? How about 38 and 12? Because addition of these two will also be 50. What is the multiplication of these two? 38 plus 12 is also 50. Good. Very good. 38 and 12. There are different ways to bring it to 50. Yeah? There are different ways. Yes, Siddiq.
Sir, did the Chingu made a rectangle from 30 meter and 70 meter?
If we make 30 and 70, then the perimeter will be 100. But sorry, the perimeter will be 2 times, no? 200. We have to make sure that the perimeter is 100 only. Yeah? How about 28 and 22? That is also 50. Another rectangle, right? 28, 22. Then a long rectangle, 48 meter its length and 2 meter of width. Then what will be its area? Come on, think of it. Another one, 23 and 27. Then what will be its area? All parameters are 50 on 100 only. In all these cases, number 1, number 2 and number 3. In all the 3 cases, perimeter will be 100. But the area will change. Why is it changing? 28 2 is 56, 560 plus 56. That is going to be 60 plus 56, 10, 616, right? Yeah, mental math, right? 48 2 is 96. So this is very less. And 23 into 27. What will be the answer here? Yeah, 23 into 27. 23 2s is 460, 20s are, right? And 23 7s are. Who knows the table? Yeah, no, 612, no. 460 and 23 7s are. That is going to be 161. 621 square meters, right? Okay, yeah. See, from with the same perimeter, what is happening here is, with the same perimeter we are getting different areas. Yes, and areas are increasing or decreasing depending on the length and width. Okay, that's what is very important. So you have to understand that at which place, at which dimensions, at which length and width Chegu will get maximum area. And for that you will have to do lots of calculations. Okay, for that you will have to do lots of calculation. Okay, all right. So hold on. Oh, sorry. Right. Hold on a second. Yeah. Now, stop share. Yeah. Okay. Now going back to the textbook. What other rectangles can he make? Right. I want this piece of land. It covers an area of 800 square meters. Right. When will this happen? Area of 800 square meters. Right. Area is 800 square meters and perimeter is 100. Right. You will have to find out. Okay. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. The internet had stopped us. Right. Okay. Going back to the share screen in the textbook. Okay. Chegu's wife asked him to make a circle with the wire. She knew it had an area of 800 square meters. Now this part we will study why this I will connect it with the chapter when we go for the circles. Okay, the area of circle I will explain to you later. All right. Okay. Now the king says, okay, Chegu has taken 800 square meters of land. Now I will give you as much gold wire which can make a boundary for land with area 800 square meters. So Anar also tried many different ways to make a boundary for 800 square meters of land. He made rectangles A, B, and C of different sizes. Find out the length of boundary of each. How much gold wire will he get for these rectangles? All right. So this first one, this is the area, right? This is area for 800 square meters, correct? So what will be its perimeter? Find out the perimeter. Find out its perimeter and send it to me in chat box. First one, for the first one, perimeter, not area beta. Dwej Mahir, perimeter, 120 meter square, that is incorrect. Mahir, where is the mistake? It's a perimeter. Think again. You have done the calculations right, but there is a minor mistake. Yeah. Come on. Yes, now it is correct. It is 120 meters. 40 plus 20, 60. 62 is a 120. What about the second one? What about the second one? Very good. What about the rest of the students? Come on. Why are you not even trying? Siddhi, incorrect beta. 160 nahi aayega. 180 meters. Yes, that is correct. Siddhi, we have to find perimeter, right? Perimeter is what? 2 times
800 meters.
plus B. So 2 times 80 plus what happened? Yeah, okay. 80 plus 10, which is 2 times 90. So the answer will be 180 meters. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Then what about this one? This will be 2 times L plus B. Right. So 800 plus 1 is 801 multiplied by 2. So 1602 meters. That's a long one, right? 1602 meters. That's really long, right? Yes. And 1602 meters long gold. That is very expensive, right? That is really expensive. Yes. Very good. Very good. Correct answers, everyone. That's very good. But what about this one? 8,000 meters into 0.1 meter. 8,000 meter into 0.1 meter. What will the answer to this one? Right? The area is going to be same, 8,000 meters into 0.1, right? We have got 0.1. So 8,000 into 1 upon 10. 0 cut, 0 cut. So 800 square meter is correct. But what will be its perimeter? 2 times 8,000 plus 0.1. What will be the answer? 2 into 8,000.1. So the answer will be 16,000.2 meters long, and that will be really long, right? Yes, right. So the king says, gosh, how can I give you so much of gold, right? And if that much gold is given to Chegu, Anar, then Anar will become king because he has got so much money, right? With that kind of gold, he can purchase an army, and then he can go for the kingdom itself, right? Okay, everyone. Yes, understood. All
Yes,
problems.
sir.
Wonderful. That's great. That's more like it. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right then. Yes, Akshat has a question. Yes, Akshat.
Sir, when I type in chat box, the chat box reply me that you are not in this meeting.
You're not in this meeting, but you are talking to me. I don't know why that is happening. Well, I have restricted you to chat with others, but you can definitely send me your messages. Try to send something now. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Okay. Anya and Sanvi, just give me a minute. Let's solve this problem first. Rich Patel, I get your message.
But sir, what it is replying that you are not meeting.
Okay, let's try this one. Akshat. I just sent you a message. Did you read it? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Now reply to that. Still nothing?
Still nothing.
No, I'm sorry. Well, how about you come to school tomorrow and we will sort this problem out. Okay? You can come and meet me. Yeah? Okay. All right. So now let's go to Anya. Yes, Anya.
Sir, are
Mhm.
you gonna post this recording
Yes, I am.
today only at YouTube?
Yes. And I will paste the link in MCB only. No WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, Sanvi.
Sir,
Sanvi Sharma.
I have the last page is my textbook's last page is 154.
That's all right.
Sir,
That is all right. Maybe because I have downloaded this book from last year, so maybe the page number might have changed. That's all right. Don't worry. Page, okay. Siddhi Khale. Siddhi Khale.
sir, I have one question.
Please go ahead.
How many millimeter is in an inch?
Oh, that's a very interesting question. 1 inch is 2.5 centimeter. So 2.5 centimeter is 25 millimeters. Multiplication and divisions together. Inch is something which we usually don't use it in routine. It is mainly used in French countries and America. Yeah. Okay. You can read about more. You can read more about this measurements on different websites. Okay. Nirja Brahmbhatt. बोलो मैं बोलो.
हाँ, sir, you had We have to write this all in the textbook.
Yes, you must write. You should do the calculations. Yes. Okay. Now, who else has a question? Shubh Parekh has a question. हाँ भैया शुभ बोल दो.
Sir, 1 meter is equal to how many millimeter?
You can do that calculation. I'm not going to answer that one. You can do it, right? I'm going to, you know what? Thank you, sure, that you asked me this question. Now I'm going to give homework, and in homework I'm going to give examples that involve measurements. Okay? Thank you, sure. Yes, Prusti. शानवी बोल रही है कहाँ फंसा दिया शुभ ने. Yes, Prusti.
Sir,
Hello?
can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes, I do.
Sir, I can't hear you very properly, but sir, your voice is clear.
Yeah, now
Speaking,
your
their
voice
voice is not clear.
I'm sorry, because of internet you are facing these problems. Unfortunately, there is nothing I can do about it. I'm using school's direct line connection, right? The best internet that I can have right now. So my hands are tied here. Yes, that's it for the day, everyone. Bye bye, and do check your
Bye,
MCB.
sir. Meet you.
Do check your MCB diary, and thank you, Shub, for reminding me for homework. चलो एक बार
सर शुभ ने कहाँ फंसा दिया.